Blacksmith wanted.
In Showing Horses 1934, Olive, the owner of a workshop, fires Wimpy, who is always more interested in hamburger than work, and starts looking for a new blacksmith. We then see the eternal rivals, Popeye and Pluto, competing for the job. Blacksmithing is a tough and exhausting task, but the two contenders seems to handle it with extreme ease. As we can see, the plots of these Popeye shows are not particularly deep, but the creativity of the gags is enough to carry an entire cartoon and entertain us from start to finish. The title of this Popeye short is a dialect variation of Showing Horses. The lyrics of the opening theme mention the lack of horses to shoe, highlighting a reality of the 1930s when modern means of transport rapidly replaced the use of horses.